I think we got a very good feeling from the first time we met. You know, you took the time to come and show us and really understand what it was we were working with. This wasn't what felt like a builder popping in with, you know, a notebook and making a few notes and then saying, oh yeah, I'll come back to you. This, you know, you came and you really sat down and went through the plans with us and talked about what we wanted and warned us about some of the risks of what we were doing and, you know, the potential pitfalls. Well, I think from the very beginning we had a good feeling that you were really engaged on the project with us, and also that you were very keen to do the job. I think that's maybe a feeling we didn't get from all of the builders. I thought that maybe some of them made us feel like we were lucky they were coming to quote for us, and so we appreciated you coming in, and clearly you were very keen to do the work. So that meant a lot.